Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to add your name to your iPhone lock screen. As you can see in this lock screen, there isn't any name, so let's change that now. And in this tutorial we're going to be using the focus option. So here in settings, we're going to go to focus. And here we have some options in focus. At the top right corner, you have the plus icon. So we're going to tap on it. And here we have the option to customize a focus option. So we're going to tap on customize. And of course, you could choose the color that you want. We're going to choose purple. And then we're going to put the name of this focus. In here, we have Terry T. Apart from the color, which we can change, we're going to leave it on purple. We could also change the icon. So we could decide to have this. And we're going to click on next. And then you're going to select customize focus. And right here, you have some options here to personalize it. But because we're not using the focus option for functionality, we're just using it to put our name. We don't need to do anything here. So we're going to go back home. And then we're going to slide it down and then press and hold and select Terry T. So as you can see, currently Terry T is on. And when we lock our phones, we're going to see Terry T at the bottom of the screen. So this is how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen.